Hello friends, welcome back. Today we have the Realme Pad 3 with us and I'll show you how to control notification settings. Follow the instructions carefully to manage alerts the way you prefer. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's start.